This is my ultimate nose contour tutorial featuring Cbeauty Doll's new contour palette formula.
Getting my hands on the Cbeauty Doll new contour palette is so emotional. This is my first one. In the same color, this is the new version. It almost looks the same, except the powder is a lot more fine. This is the old texture. The new powder feels a lot smoother and less patchy. If you can see the difference, it glides on so much smoother. Classic option 02, there are two contour colors. One is a lot darker than the other one. Then there's matte highlighter as well as a shimmery highlight. Oh yeah, this is so shadow-like. This side done, this side without. Can you see the difference? The classic C shape in the doughy makeup. This is how you do it. This side with contour, this side without. Only one option right now in the US TikTok market. I do think if you are a couple of shades darker than me, you can still use this color to contour. Obviously, it's not very inclusive yet, but I heard they're always looking to expand their color range, so I'm positive that they will come up with more colors. I want to scope it even further using that darker shade. I will pick up using an angle brush, feel lines, and using the other brush, shrink this part. See how the nose just shrank? I sometimes like to use this as eyeshadow color as well, just to give it some depth. On to the most exciting part, which is the matte highlighter. There's so many different ways of using this. I'm going to show you a couple of ways. First is obviously to highlight the inner corner with matte highlighter without. Same amount of shadow, but because we put matte highlighter on, the contrast is making it look a lot cleaner. The tip of your nose and nose bridge. On the side of the nose, if you want to shrink it, do a V shape here. You see the difference? Last step is the highlighter. I like to pack it with the same brush that I use for matte highlighter, but sort of like pinch them together so the brush hair is more packed. Now if you just here, do you see this? And of course, you can also use that for your under eyes. I also like to use these highlighters to clean up my brows. You can also use this to highlight the cheeks. I am super happy I got my hands on the improved formula version. Now they're on TikTok shop, so definitely check it out. The more you click it, the more Cbeauty Doll will think that they have a market in the US and they will expand their shade version.